This is racist. Because I'm better than you guys. Fucking racist.
I knocked you out alone.
Fucking racist. No, you're a tough dead man.
What does this do?
Oh no, I'm
This
unconscious.
is racist.
Do these open? They definitely do, don't they?
I have no idea.
Wait. I wonder if you stay on a life or something happens.
I fell. Wait, what is this? I can spend
You can
gold
throw
to
shit
do
on the-
things.
Yes.
What's it do?
It
I'm
affects
good
the
on this
level.
side.
The fish, you can knock someone out of the banana, someone can slip on and the bomb explodes up the top.
Oh, that was so close.
And then what we do is you throw a bomb to the left, right, and I throw a bomb to the right. And
I throw to the left. Viewpoint 3.
now I throw it to the left, and you throw it to the right.
Okay, so I'm viewpoint 3.
What?
Viewpoint 3. So
Oh my
alright.
god, I'm scared.
It's gonna throw fish, so I can reset my money. For money.
Oh, the castle's crumbling, guys.
Wait, is there
Wait,
a
what?
Yeah, it's falling apart.
Where?
Over here.
Alright, that man, throw your bomb.
Hi, Kevin.
Alright, our bomb sucks.
Where'd they go?
No, Kevin, there's a bomb! Wait,
Oh no, be careful. Honestly, this level's cool. So fun.
Hey, the left side's collapsing now, too.
This is like in a
Oh.
chicken or
I think I won.
Who won?
Kevin won.
Yes,
You
you
won? What the
won.
fuck? How did you win? Kevin was on top.
No, Kevin was underneath me at the
I
end.
know more racism now, guys. It's not okay.
Alright, this has
Racism is not okay. Guys, racism is not okay.
No racism.
Hey, you were saying the N-word like 20 minutes ago.
Shut up. Where? Oh fuck! I was gonna check out the list, bro. You fuck.
Bitch.
Why is such a race? I was gonna check out if you could interact with the list.
Nah, you were coming to kill me. I don't want to fucking
No, I
hear you.
wasn't. You fucking racist. You're no fun.
But you could turn this.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
you
bomb,
missed
the
your
bomb,
fish.
Kevin.
Yeah,
Guys, open. Wait, let's grab the hatchet. Here, I'm gonna grab
yeah
this
that's what I was
hatchet.
gonna do, you fucking bitch.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do
Yeah,
it.
open it, open it, open it.
Can't grab the
Let me grab
head.
it.
Try to grab it.
Let me grab
No,
it.
you can't.
Hey, come here.
Get off!
Come here.
Get off!
Come here. I said come here. We're going this way.
Stop being racist. You guys knocked me out and now you're just sitting here not ending the game. Cringe.
Get it. Get the pig. Wow. No.
Wait,
Let me up. 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 Ah.
yeah,
Oh
get him,
my
Kevin.
God.
Wait, Kevin, just let me toss him off the edge, man. That's all you gotta let me do.
Ain't no
Alright,
teaming, what the
Kevin.
fuck? Hold on, right click. Hold on, yes. Nice.
Oh, you got
Oh,
lucky
Kevin's
there.
alive. Go knock him off.
Ow. My
Kevin,
face. My face.
take him.
No. Let me go. Let me go. Oh.
Oh my god!
Remember how Frank stole that win for me last time, Kevin?
Oh, that was so close. Bro,
Target frick, target frick.
hey, Mr. No Teaming ass over here.
Oh, okay, Mr. Fucking no fun.
No.
Oh no.
You know, I'll let you live.
It's stuck. Kevin's stuck.
Throw banana peel. Oh!
Oh, nice.
That man, throw banana peel.
No, 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 no,
I'm out of fish.
Oh.
Target frick, we can let him win.
Hey, look at how he's being so biased,
No.
man.
Oh, you started it.
How do I start? You rushed me and I killed you.
Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, fuck
I had
Alfie.
him.
Ow. We're all unconscious in the pile. No, let me go, Kevin, let me go.
Fucking hell, dude.
Oh no! No, 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 no! How do I wake up faster?
Hey, please. Hey, please. Hey, I didn't throw you off.
Oh my god, you're
Dang.
flying. Take this.
That's how I knocked out Alfie, dude. I threw a lantern at his head.
Hey, what's this?
Oh, get away from him. Oh! No, 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 no.
Oh, my conscious.
Oh my
No, no,
god.
no, 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 no! Watch your back!
How?
Alfie.
Why is this game so fucking... Dude, what the fuck is this bullshit? Everyone's just fighting against me, dude!
No, they were trying
Nobody
to
threw
hit me.
shit in my face! Dude, I had him! I had him, bro!
They were
It's the
trying
one.
to hit me with that fish, but hit
No,
you.
they're trying to hit me, bro. Why would you ever? I'm so much better. Why would you fucking help him?
Wow.
Fucking
I
whore.
was trying to hit
Get out of
back.
my scene, bro. Get out of my scene. This is my pick.
Get rid of it.
I just fucking whore. This is still the picture.
Narnia.
This is still the picture, bro. Get
It's
set
like we're in Narnia, like you're like my little snow bunny. Look at Kevin like that.
I'm chilling in the back, bro.
Kevin's got that flying dog.
This skin gives me Joe from Impractical Jokers.
Wait, you didn't
vibes.
add me there, bro? What the fuck?
I did. I clicked both of you.
Fucking wall.
Supposed to be.
Fucking racist, all of you, I swear. I don't even know why I'm here, bro. It's so... Look at this racism. Instantly talking to me, bro. Yeah, I mean, it is. We're living in a
Hey,
perfect
you and I have
society
to
against like other white people.
Don't do it, Kevin. No, Kevin. No. Why?
It's not a fair 1v1 when I'm getting fucking hit by a fist.
No, 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 no. The one where you rushed me
No,
solo.
no, Kevin. Why?
No, I was gonna fucking open the left.
Yeah, you never said that.
I didn't think I needed to.
Of course.
Can I fucking hit you or what? Hello? What is this game?
I was gonna let you
Oh.
throw Kevin off.
And you hit me? The fuck?
Oh, shut it up, Kevin.
I'm not dead, Kevin. Oh, this is getting sauce.
Okay.
Oh,
There's no way you're just watching. What a
Yep.
hole, bro.
Knock him out.
No, literally
I
third
respect
party.
1v1.
Literally third party.
Banana peel.
We're just touching
How
back.
did that fish not knock him out?
It's for banana peels, they're way better than the fish.
I tried to throw white fish at
If
him.
if they walk in a banana peel, they fall, and like they might not walk in it now, but suddenly they forget to stand like
Oh,
so much better.
Oh no, Kevin.
Let's go together. I lost.
Kevin won.
Yeah.
oh,
No,
okay.
the game's just quiet towards
bro.
the movie on
I'm out for blood, bro. I killed both of
Game
you.
racist.
What was that for, Alfie? What did I do to you? I died.
Guys,
I
what
died
is this?
first.
This is new.
Let me
What
up,
is
let me
this?
up, Let me up.
What is this?
Why am I getting third party? No one else suspects the only one when it's me. Only when it's fucking. What is happening, bro?
Wait, you were invisible?
Wait, you guys couldn't see me?
No, you were invisible.
No.
That's what the potion does. Okay.
When you're not unconscious, you're invisible.
Bro, stop hitting
I'm gonna
me,
let you
fuck.
guys do your thing over there.
I can't grab people.
This is how you
Get out of
bro.
here.
You know, I'll let you live.
Yeah? You're gonna let me live? Oh my fucking god, I'm getting a permanent knockdown. Can you just stop targeting for one round, bro? Holy shit. Holy shit! Let me set up! And then you go straight for me. I see how this fucking
Hey,
works.
you're on the easy side, motherfucker. Someone activate the bomb. Activate it. Why would he throw it off the edge?
But like I throw you up there, bro, we don't need it.
Get rid of it. Let's get rid of it.
Here,
Go.
look.
How does it work? I'm so confused.
Ow! Don't get rid of me! Wait, don't get rid of me! What the fuck? Don't get rid of me! Don't get rid of me!
No. I got you, Alfie.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
you
They have to run away now. They have to run away now.
No, 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 no!
Look at Kevin. He's struggling.
Oh my god, why am I always knocked out? Stop, you fuck! Because I'm tiny.
No!
Oh, Kevin, no. Oh. Here it comes. Oh. Oh!
Oh, where did it go, bro? It just fell.
Oh, what the fuck? What the hell? Oh. Who's gonna fall off first, like Kevin?
What if you...
Get up,
let
man.
go of it? Kevin, don't
Ah!
let go.
No, Kevin! Fucking put me down! You put me down! Wow! No way! I didn't even know there was a thing.
Get the can. Oh no, Kevin got the can. What is happening?
It's gonna be. Oh.
It broke.
Bro, stop targeting me,
Way
bitch.
to go.
I'm gonna target you. You were targeting me all last game. I need my revenge.
I wasn't targeting you, you just kept
You were
rushing
hella
me.
target.
Just,
I'm not having your luck anymore. I'm fucking getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of it. Oh.
Yo,
Ah.
chill.
I just wanna climb. I'm just trying to climb.
Alright, I'm gonna chill here.
Alright, have fun.
You, Kevin.
Don't come here, Alfie. Don't do it. Hey, let go of me. Let go of me. I'm trying to hang. I'm just hanging. I'm hanging.
You're hanging out.
I'm hanging.
Hey, what up?
Let's hang.
Let's just wait till the bridge falls, Kevin. If we wait, they die first, and then it's a 1v1 on a dying bridge.
You dropped
I
your
didn't know the
I
top
thought you
falls
were
first.
recorded.
That's
Oh.
Top always falls. Top always falls first.
That'll never get me.
Did Frank die?
No, it's invisible.
Yeah, you can't
No.
see me
It's
right
right
now.
to the left of me.
How long can we hang for? What's our grip strength? Oh, Kevin.
No.
Kevin. It's an endurance competition. We'll see who lasts the longest.
Fine, let's go. I think I misclicked.
Hey, Breck, I see you over there.
Where are you?
I mean, Freck gonna win Pokemon doing something.
Oh, bye. Oh, never mind.
I'll let go.
Oh, no, I fell.
My pig can't hang on for shit, bro.
Did you get a new bridge yet? Oh, let's go.
I won't kill you.
What? I literally pressed
Kill him.
first.
Kill him.
I got dead man.
No, I knocked myself unconscious.
Get this frog. Oh, get the frog, get the frog.
I'm gonna save you. Come here.
Get the frog.
I'm just
Not
not
the alligator stuff. Oh my god, it's getting fucking destroyed, bro. Kevin's just one minute hiding. You know what? I respect the 1v1.
Fight my supper. You live. Thank you. I expect the 1v1. I got super.
Doesn't
Oh,
worry.
so it's bad when you team against Alfie, but it's okay when you team against me.
Yeah, because this is racist. You can't be racist towards you. You're a white American.
White American.
You're weird.
Exactly. Are you also being like a... Oh, you're fucking whore, bro. Respecting the 1v1. Oh my god, Kevin! I love nunchucks.
I love the banana.
The definition of taking a perfectly good stick and ruining it. Yeah, that's how you make nunchucks, didn't you know? You take a perfectly good stick and you ruin it.
You put a chain in it. Like 2 bits.
Yeah, so you're more likely to knock yourself. Oh, what? Why did I go flying?
Oh.
What would be stupid? I mean, if it wasn't this map, you know, the nunchucks would be pretty bad.
Alright, I got rid of them.
Because in any
That's
other
fine.
map, you would have you could just
Alfie,
dodge
throw a
them until you
bomb.
knocked them.
Alfie, throw a bomb.
I didn't throw a bomb.
Throw one now.
I'll have a bomb.
Oh, and I made nunchucks back. I dropped them.
The plunger.
Infect.
Oh no.
Hey, Kevin.
Get fucked. Come at pig.
Ah.
Why did the music just slow down?
Alright, Kevin, if I can figure this out.
You know
this
what's
time,
kind of
you're so
funny?
dead.
Why?
Why can't I figure this out?